is Taniah Martin. I'm in Humanities through Arts 101 class, and I will be introducing music. First, let's start off by introducing the content of music and its artistic form. The content of music is the elements aligned to form a masterpiece involving the harmony, melody, rhythm, tempo, pitch, and its form of structure with repetition along with variations and patterns. The content of music purpose is to create patterns so the audience can be able to react with their emotions to express how it personally makes them feel on a deeper level. The artistic form of music gives a story to tell through patterns of its different structures. The subject matter of music and elements. A recognizable melody in which exposes all compositions material to form the element of theme. The elements are rhythm, harmony, melody, timbre, dynamics, texture, and form. Emotions, ability to evoke a powerful message to the audience with thrills or excitement. Passion, emotions grasped in great intensity. Mood, setting, or tone in the element. Formalism and expressionism. Formalism, it focuses on the visual aspect rather than its content outside music, determined by its form. Expressionism focuses on music giving an understanding to express feelings and communicate. Theme and variations. Classic. Beethoven, Für Elise by Ludwig van Beethoven, designed for plays and theater. The classic portrays a sad feeling with allegro to speed things up with a calm, light sensation, very peaceful, with a structure of A, B, A, C, A. The melody is quite high, but the keys does appear to have a change in keys, shifting to a lower key. Alright, let's listen to this. You notice a change in patterns. Alright, let's talk about the form of rondo. The song I chose was Every Breath You Take, The Police. This song is so full of great passion. Put into his work of music, it makes you feel as if you're singing it right with the artist. As you listen, you hear the A, B, A, C, B, A. The A is repeated without any other words. A, B, A, C, A, B, A structure along with Sonata movement of coda. Let's listen to this real quick. Fugue structure. Johannes Brahms, Cello Sonata No. 1, Op. 38 Allegro piano. The fugal subject is in E minor and is derived from the movement weaving together forming a high counterpoint, making use of the sonata form. Sonata form structure ABA. ABA. Always in the first or last movement of music work. Example. Fantasia and Symphony. Wolfgang Amade, Amadeus Mozart. Fantasy for Piano number 3 in D minor. His structure is A B C A1 B1 C1 A2. He switches from the D minor to D major, ending in a happy area. You can determine the symphony through the development of harmony throughout the movement. Alright, Eroica. Eroica was to celebrate the memory of Napoleon by Beethoven. He used the E flat major. OP 53 has a symphony of 4 movements. Sonata form is used in the first movement of symphonies with presenting themes and development. It amazes me how it goes from high to low. You can hear the different contrasts playing throughout the whole musical contemporaries. All right, blues and jazz. Primary example I would like to use is Daniel Castro. I'll play the blues for you. The blues is so soulful to the old ages, giving the audience awareness to lessons and scale of sensational compositions. The guitar and drums give it the climax to make us want to keep listening. All right, let's play it real quick. I like the repeated melody playing in the background. The rhythm and bass change over the course of time during hearing this. But you can see how it brings awareness to the audience. All right, and that will conclude my presentation.